Dreaming of a kitchen makeover without the demolition and expense of a complete remodel? Cabinet refacing is your answer. In this video, we'll unveil how it works and what to expect with Colorado Cabinet Refacing. What is refacing, and how does it work? Refacing breathes new life into your cabinets by covering all visible surfaces with fresh, factory-finished materials. Choose from solid wood quarter-inch panels, wood veneers, or laminate, composite options to transform your kitchen without tearing out the old cabinets. This is a complete turnkey solution, leaving your countertops, floors, and walls untouched. Can you make any changes to the layout and structure with cabinet refacing? Absolutely. You can modify existing cabinets, add new sections, and even integrate various storage solutions to create the kitchen layout of your dreams. Colorado Cabinet Refacing offers the highest level of customization to make your vision a reality. What styles and colors can you do with cabinet refacing? Your imagination is the limit. Choose from solid wood, wood veneer, or laminate options in a vast array of styles and colors. Colorado Cabinet Refacing offers everything you need to completely customize your kitchen. Do you provide free estimates for cabinet refacing? Yes! Explore our free online cost examples to get a general idea of pricing. For a more accurate estimate, provide a few photos and details about your kitchen, and we'll give you a personalized quote. How long does cabinet refacing take? Smaller kitchens typically take 3 to 5 days, while larger projects with more customization can take 8 to 10 days. We'll provide a detailed timeline upon agreement. How much does cabinet refacing cost? The cost varies depending on factors like project size, material choices, and location. Generally, smaller projects start around $7,500, while larger ones can exceed $20,000. Our online cost example page will give you a clearer picture of potential costs for your kitchen. Ready to transform your kitchen without the hassle of a full remodel? Visit the Colorado Cabinet Refacing website now to explore options, get a free estimate, and make your dream kitchen a reality.